No drill way to hang bamboo blinds on casement windows. In this video I'm going to show you how I've hung bamboo blinds on casement windows without gluing, drilling and sewing using just a cotton ribbon. In this project I'm using some old bamboo shades and a 2 cm wide cotton tape. You can find both under the links in this video's description. As for the length of the tape, I took the length of the blinds multiplied by 4. Namely 2 ribbons per 2 bamboo shades, plus 25 cm for each loop, with the help of which we are going to hang the bamboo blinds on the window sashes, which turned into 9 meters of the ribbon for 2 pieces of 1 meter long blinds. I cut the ribbon into 4 even pieces, then I made a loop equal to the thickness of the sashes frame in the middle of each of those pieces. Then I wound the ribbon ends around this cord several times and lifted it down along the threads which weave the bamboo twigs together. Make sure that in the end the loop is under the cord which holds the blinds, because that loop holds that cord. Then I hung the loops on the corners of the window sashes. The inner corner was a bit tricky to hang because of lack of space for maneuvering. That is why I used tweezers. At the bottom I bound the blinds with bows. For those who have a little bigger budget, there's also a variety of linen ribbons on the market. One of them you can find under the link in this video's description. Use bamboo shades or shades with the uttermost reduced price you can find on eBay under unbranded bamboo window blinds and shades search keywords. To raise the blinds halfway, I roll them up and hook the bows to the cords. More of useful videos and information at lovemadehome.com. Thank you for watching.